In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Bloombot on Axiom. So the first thing you'll need is an Axiom Pro account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you sign up using my link, you will get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check that out. Now, once you have your Axiom Pro account, you want to go to this link, which is bloombot.app. And on here, you want to first click on Extension and select Chrome Store. And from here, you want to click Add to Chrome and Add Extension again. What this will do is in a few seconds, it will install your Chrome extension, so the Bloombot extension, as you can see over here. Now, once you've done that, I would recommend you just pin it. So go to the extensions, find the Bloom extension, click the pin button. There we go, it's now pinned. And from here, you can go out of the setup back inside their official website over here. And if you were now to click on the Bloombot, it will say, please paste your access code and press verify. What you have to do is press get code over here, and this will take you to their bot inside Telegram. If you have Telegram installed on your computer, you can press start bot, and this will open it up in your app on your computer. But if you want to use the web version like me, you can just click open in the web, and just like this, in a few seconds, as you can see, it's gonna pop up and you will get your access code. So this is my access code over here. You wanna click on it. There we go. And then once you've done this, you wanna go to the Bloombot again, paste it in and press verify. And just like this, as you can see, you're now logged in and verified. If it asks you for a referral code, you can also use mine. It's over here. So as you can see, this is my referral code. So if you want to use it, I think you can skip the wait list and also get some bonuses, I believe. So if you want to, you can use it, but if you don't want to, you don't have to, of course. And after you're done with that, you can close down everything and pull up Axiom. And when you go to Axiom first, just refresh your website. So like this. And then you want to go to a random coin. So let's say I'm just going to go to this one over here. And as you can see, you will be able to get this trading panel from the Bloombot instantly. You can change the region, the quick buy and quick sell settings. And after that, you can just start trading. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.